how to do this. Instinct. That's boy instinct right there.
Good job.
See?
Do you like this present?
Don't
What about
you
the
have to tell him.
basketball?
Watch. Yeah.
What about the basketball? You like that baseball, don't you?
Here, come here. We're on this side. Let me turn around.
Oh, he sees the slide.
He sees the slide. There's a step over here, buddy. Come over on this side. Come over here. Come on this side. Here. Look at this side.
Oh, look, it's just your size.
You see, you can do it by yourself. Okay.
Uh-oh. You're gonna go down face first.
Nice. Nice. I was gonna say, nice, pretty smart, but he's trying to sit down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Help him out. There you go. Kid, go get the ball. Good job. Now what do you do with that ball?
Look at, now you gotta put it in here. Put it in there. Go boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka.
Good job.
Ready? You try again. Boom shakalaka. Do it again. Boom shakalaka.